haul time. I got a box in the mail today, and yes, I ordered it. It wasn't a gift, but it came today. I did take the tape off the top, but I haven't taken the plant out of the package yet. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, here we go. Packing slip. Kind of bent the top. It'll be okay. So I'll leave the top bent over like that. I don't know if I think I did that. I don't think they did. For the top, right? Let's see if I can show it to you there. Oh, kitty cat's gonna see what the paper is all about. Oh, right there. Let's see what the instructions say. Okay, planting and growing. You want to let the roots look for water. Let's see. After receiving your plant, only give an hour of direct sun in the morning. Sun, then shade for the rest of the day with indirect sun. Increase daily for an hour or less until 4 hours. Not real hot, best morning and cloudy. So that basically means I just need to harden it off so that it's used to the sun. And it suggests using Osmocote. I suppose one could use any brand. Slow release fertilizer 14-14-14 or 18-6-12, so the plants will get fertilizer every time they are watered. This is the best way to make nutrients available slowly to the roots. If you want to let the roots look for water so they will grow as fast as possible, water only when the surface looks dry. Oh, I turned that around and I meant to make it look at. There we go. All right. It's best to start small in potting mix, not soil. Okay, start in a 1-gallon pot. There are lots of holes, sides and bottom. I'm wondering if my the cloth pot that I bought that I haven't used yet, my smart pot, would work. The roots will grow a few weeks, then the top will really start to be growing. After planting and poking fertilizer spikes, you need to plant the plant water it only 1 cup, and the same daily if the surface looks dry. Okay. All right, and this is giving me information for a banana tree, which this isn't. But we've got a kitty cat being curious here. Okay. So this, in case you're wondering, it's a dwarf, super sweet, ever-bearing mulberry tree. Morus nigra would be the botanical name. Kitty was trying to get in the box a minute ago. I don't think it's big enough for her to get in. But she's going to climb under the paper. Cats are funny. So entertaining, little girl. Okay. So what you planning to do, little girl? That's just newspaper. You would think it was catnip or something. It's not. Say hello to everybody. This cat, for some reason or other, never meows. She squeaks once in a while, but not meow. Our other cat is quite a talker. Whenever you talk to her, she always meows back. This one, you can tell she hears you, but she never meows. Oh, she rolls over like that. She wants her tummy scratched. Do you want your tummy scratched? Yeah. Okay. Well, that was kind of fun getting my plant in the mail. It's looking pretty healthy, except where I kind of bent the top. Let me turn you over and you can look. And it came in the mailbox. So I actually was thinking I could pretty much plant it directly out, but that paper was suggesting I need to get it kind of used to our climate, so I can do that. Well, that's all for today. I just wanted to share with you that I got my plant in the mail. And it should look like this. Maybe I'll put a little piece of tape or something on that to hold it upright. I don't know if it will heal or not. Well, may the good Lord richly bless you. If you ordered something in the mail, may it come quickly and in good health. And may you always, always, always seek the truth. Darlene, signing out for today.